Morning, first year students. Today we are continuing the exercise. Up to 22 problems are completed. Now today we are going to the next problem, 23rd. Before going to the 23rd problem, first of all I will explain first left hand limit and right hand limit. What is the left hand limit and right hand limit? Left hand limit means goes to close to a left side. Right hand limit means close to a right side. Okay, so find the 23rd problem. Find limit x tends to 0 f of x and limit x tends to 1 f of x. Limit x tends to 0 f of x and limit x tends to 1 f of x. Both are we have to calculate. Next, where f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, x less than or equal to 0, 3 into x plus 1, x greater than 0. Up to 22 problems, so only single limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, limit x tends to only single function. So we have to find out directly. Okay. When the limit exists, limit x tends to 0, f of x is L. L is a existable value. Okay, here the f of x functions are, how many functions are there? 2 functions. How many functions are there? 2 functions. So this type of problems, 2 or more functions, 2 functions, so 3 functions, so 4 functions, 2 or more functions we have to given. Okay, it gives 2 or more functions. So we have to calculate left hand limit and right hand limit must be compulsory. We have to find out left hand limit, right hand limit. Only single function, directly limit x tends to 0, something sin x by x. So up to first 22 problems only single function is there. So no problem. So 23rd into the 30 or 40 problems. Which type of functions are there given? 2 types, so 2 functions, 2 or more functions are given. Okay, this type of problems it comes, must be calculate left hand limit and right hand limit. When the limit exists, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to L. Okay, so first this is 2 case, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 1. So case 1, first of all listen carefully, case 1, put x is equal to 0, first problem. LHS is simply left hand limit. Left hand limit means limit x tends to, here x is equal to what? 0, 0 minus, left hand limit at x is equal to 0 means 0 minus, 0 minus f of x is equal to, so 0 minus 0 plus difference, what is the difference? We have to decide the function first, which function we have to given. This is the main one. In 2 functions, which function you have to calculate? First function or second function or both? We don't know. So limit x tends to 0 minus means less than 0. X tends to 0 minus means less than 0. Here less than 0, which function? Limit x tends to 0, not 0 minus 0. 0, x less than 0, which function x less than 0? In the first function, we have to observe the first function. X less than or equal to 0 means x less than 0 or x is equal to 0. So limit x tends to 0, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 minus not need, no need. 0 minus, because the 0 minus 0 plus means what? Decide the function. After decide the function, direct apply the x tends to 0. 0 minus also put x is equal to 0, apply x is equal to 0, and in the function, for example, 2 into 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Okay, next RHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to 0 plus means greater than 0. Greater than 0, which function? Here greater than 0, the corresponding function is 3 into x plus 1. So limit x tends to 0, 3 into x plus 1. No. So 3 into 0 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here left hand limit to put a substitute in the function x is equal to 0, right hand limit also x is equal to 0. So left hand limit to right hand limit to apply the x value same, but what is difference? Substitute x, 0 minus means x substitute 0, 0 plus means substitute x is equal to 0. So what is the difference? LHL, RHL, what is the difference? Difference is function is different. Function is different. Which function we have to take? This is the main point. So therefore LHL is equal to RHL is equal to 3. LHL, RHL equal, and that value is existable value, not 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. So this 3 existable number. So therefore finally limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to what? 3. So limit x tends to 0, f of x value how much? 3. LHL, RHL equal and existable, so that value equal to 3. Next, case 2, the second problem. X is equal to 1. Here limit x tends to 1. Here also left hand limit x tends to So here left hand limit to right hand limit to. So put x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, here x is equal to 1 where? Which one x is equal to 1? X greater than 0. Limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1. X greater than 0 means what? X greater than 0 means? X greater than 0 means x greater than 0. So here in the limit x tends to 1, there is no, don't use LHL and RHL, because this is a 1. 1 means what here? 1 means only x greater than 0. Greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3 and so on, any value. So limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to 1, 3 into x plus 1. So that is equal to 3 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, hence limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to 6. So, for example, LHL means 1 minus. 1 minus means less than 1. Here there is no less than 1. Okay, greater than 1. Right hand limit means greater than 1. There is no greater than 1. Only 0, less than 0, greater than 0 is there. Not greater than 1, less than 1. Not given. So, limit x tends to 1, only x tends to 1 means 0 greater than 1. Greater than 0 is 1 is the greater than 0. So, only that function. Okay, clear. The first one okay, the second one is small disturbance is there. So, thinking about. Okay. Next, problem number 24. Problem number 24. 24 problem is same problem. Limit x tends to 1 f of x means LHL RHL both. So this is the 24th problem. You have to homework. Next, you have to try. Next, 25th problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 f of x. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 f of x where f of x is equal to mod x by x, x not equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So x not equal to 0 means, for example, solution. What is the given data? Given f of x is equal to mod x by x if x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0 means x less than 0 and x greater than 0. Only x not equal to 0. X is not 0 only. This is negative, now remaining all values, negative values and positive values, all values is there. So 0, x is equal to 0. This is the problem. The modulus function. In the relations and function chapter, modulus function, step x function, the definition is there. What is the modulus function definition? Modulus function means mod x is equal to x. Mod x is equal to x if x greater than 0. Mod x is equal to minus x if x less than 0. Mod x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. This is the definition of modulus function. Definition of modulus function. So mod x is equal to x when x greater than 0. Okay, so left hand limit. What we have to find out? Limit x tends to 0 f of x. So 0 f of x, how many functions are there? 2 functions are there. So compulsory LHL RHL. LHL is equal, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus means x less than 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus means x less than 0. X less than 0, which function x less than 0? Mod x by x. Mod x by x. So here x less than 0, x less than 0 means, this is also x less than 0. 0 minus means x less than 0. X less than 0, what is the mod x? X less than 0. 0 minus means x less than 0. X less than 0, mod x is equal to what? Minus x. So limit x tends to 0, mod x is equal to minus x when x less than 0 by x. X cancel. X cancel. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus 1. Limit of constant is equal to constant. Limit of any constant is equal to constant. So RHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. 0 plus 6 is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus means x greater than 0. Plus means greater than 0. Minus means less than 0. So mod x by x. So x greater than 0 when mod x is equal to what? X. Mod x is equal to x when x greater than 0. So limit x tends to 0, mod x value x by x. X by x is equal to 1. So limit x tends to 0, 1. Limit of 1 is equal to 1. So therefore LHL is not equal to RHL. LHL is equal to RHL equal to that L means limit exists. So limit exists means limit value is there. Limit exists means that limit value equal to L. So limit not equal to means LHL is not equal to RHL means limit does not exist. Limit does not exist means that value also does not exist. So therefore limit x tends to 0 f of x does not exist because LHL is not equal to RHL. Okay. Next one. Next 25th. Next 26th. So 26, once again same problem, once again I will explain. 26, evaluate limit x tends to 0 f of x. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 f of x where f of x is equal to x by mod x if x not equal to 0 if x is equal to. This is the same problem. What is the difference? 25th problem, 26th problem, what is the difference? Mod x is numerator or mod x is denominator. So same value. The mod x is always limit does not exist. So solution given f of x is equal to x by mod x if x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0 means less than 0, greater than 0, equal to f equal to 0. So first of all LHS limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x by mod x. 0 minus means what? 0 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 mod x is equal, less than 0 mod x is equal to what? Minus x. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by minus x. X cancel. So limit x tends to 0 minus 1. Limit of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So next to RHL. RHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus means greater than 0. Greater than 0, so same function same. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by x because x greater than 0 mod x is equal to what? X. So x by x 1. So limit x tends to 0 1 is equal to 1. Limit of constant is equal to constant. Limit of constant is equal to constant. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHL. So therefore limit x tends to 0 f of x does not exist because not equal to. So last problem, 27th problem. So what is the 27th problem? Limit x tends to 5 f of x. Evaluate limit x tends to 5 f of x where f of x is equal to mod x minus 5. So is directive single functional. So directive. So value is 0, 27. So this is directive or x tends to 5. X tends to 5 is what? X tends to 5 means what? 5 plus greater than 0. X tends to 5 means greater than 0. Greater than 0 mod x is equal to what? So therefore limit x tends to 5 mod x minus 5. So x tends to 5 means x greater than 0. X is equal to 5 means x is equal to 5. X tends to 5 means what? X tends to 5 means x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. 5 is greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. So greater than 0 mod x is equal to what? Limit x tends to 5 mod x is equal to x minus 5. X is equal to what? 5 minus 5 equal to 0 directly. Need not be used in left hand limit and or right hand limit, because this is the single function and this is x greater than x tends to 5 means what? X tends to 5 means 5 is greater than 0. 5 is greater than 0. The greater than 0 when x is equal to what? Mod x is equal to x minus 5. Okay, 20 up to 27. Tomorrow I will continue the next 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, the remaining problems. Clear?